Hello friends, today in our channel Dawat-e Dastakhan we are here with another recipe known as masala chips. Are you bored of the normal chips and you want to try something new other than usual? Then here it is, masala chips. Now without wasting time, let's get started. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So for making masala potatoes, we need 4 potatoes, half teaspoon of salt. Now we need a peeler to grate the potatoes into shape of the chips, into thin slices. So here it is. So what we have to do now is we have to take each potato and we have to slice in the blades in such a direction so that we get long chips in upward downward direction. We'll have to slit each and every potato one by one. So here we get each slice of potato. You can see as it is very thin and very transparent, and how crispy it will be after it's made. Now we'll do the rest of the potatoes in the similar way. So as you can see, I have sliced all the potatoes into thin chips. It is very transparent, very thin, as you can see. Now I am adding water and then I'll add salt so that the potatoes absorb the salt. I'll keep aside for a few minutes. I'll mix it properly. After a few minutes, when the chips have absorbed the salt properly, now we'll make it in a deep fry. I have kept the oil in the pan when the potatoes were soaking. So as you can see, I have put one chips into the oil so as to test whether the oil is heated properly or not. So our oil is heated. Now we'll add all the chips together after taking this one out. Now we'll add all the potato chips into the frying pan and keep it into a deep fry from high to medium flame for a couple of minutes until the chips turn golden brown. So as you can see, the chips have turned golden brown and they look so crispy. Now we'll take them out into the plate and we'll dry it, the excess oil from it, and here it is ready. These whole chips our normal chips is ready. We can eat it as it is, but to make masala chips we need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now we will mix the red chili powder and the salt together and sprinkle it over the chips and coat it with over the chips very properly so that the masala is totally mixed into the chips, and we have to do it while it is hot, otherwise the masala won't mix on the chips, won't stick on the chips properly. So guys, as you can see how simple this recipe was. From simple potatoes we made such a tasty recipe which can be enjoyed in our movie times as well as in party times with our friends. So guys, you also make this recipe and enjoy it.